Create a Poppy Bank online account. If you want to create Poppy Bank account online, open a default web browser in a device. Search for Create Poppy Bank account online in the search bar. Tap on the link that says Open New Accounts. Then you'll be taken to the main homepage of the Poppy Bank. In this page, you'll see Enroll option, Open a New Account button to create one. You can even tap on the fan and create a new account. After you create new account, you can tap on New Options to pop out, where you can find personal as well as detailed information on your credentials. You can find disclosures and fundings and finally confirmation. Fill them up carefully in the respective sections and tap on Continue or Next in each of segments. Finally, after submitting every information, you'll have created a new Poppy Bank account. And this was everything you need to know about creating Poppy Bank account online. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.